In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to request access to a Google Ads Manager account. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar, look for Accounts tab, and click on it. If the Accounts tab is not showing on yours, that means you don't have Google Ads Manager account, so go ahead and create it. Then, in Account Settings, click Sub-Account Settings, then click on the plus icon and choose Link Existing Account. Now, we need to enter the customer ID of the account we want to link. If you have access to the account you want to link, you can find its customer ID at the top right corner. It's a 10-digit number separated by hyphen into 3 digits, and then followed by 4 digits. Copy it and paste it here. Then click Send Request. The manager account owner will need to approve your request. Once approved, your account will be linked and visible inside the manager dashboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching.